Hi guys, another quick one from my phone. So this is the Uniden Uniace 100 I'm trying to get back to some kind of working order. The meter's actually knackered in this now, so there's not really a lot can be done about that. It's been on my bench a while and my bench has since got cluttered, so there's a pile of clutter everywhere, so I'm going to have to get that tidied up. But I've been on holiday, so I do have an excuse for that. So we've got a SINAD meter up here. This is one of Noximan's SINAD analyzers. Very good investment indeed. And if I turn this up, just be aware it's going to get a bit loud. There's a signal generator underneath. I'm not sure you can hear me. So that's a minus 117 dBm. And it's just say on the 12 there. Just trying to juggle two things at once. That's 0.317 of a microvolt. I'll try and get it actually spot on the 12. I'm not sure I can do that. Yeah, I dropped it to minus 116 and it's a bit more on the 12 now. And that, according to my crib sheet, is 0.355 microvolts. So if this meter's correct, that's 0.355 microvolts for 12 decibel SINAD. And I'll just show you the crib sheet if I can. Yeah. I'd say that's a job well done, because I got bored and just started twiddling around with the receiver to see what I could get out of it, because I hadn't really properly set that up. Get rid of that noise now. Yeah, so I'm impressed with that. I did discover that having this oscilloscope connected caused the readings to be a little bit off. So I disconnected the scope, went back over the tuning, and that's the results I got. I'm going to go have a cup of tea now.